Good early morning, you guys. We're back here at the house flip. Look at the color of this house. Isn't it better? No offense, Uncle Bob. You know I love you, but that purple you had on here was, well, I'm just gonna say it. It was hideous. But now we've got a nice, kind of an off-white color. Looks so much better against the new roof. So today we've got a ton of stuff going on. We got the cabinets being installed still. They're gonna put the upper units in. As you saw on Sarah's last video, they've got all the lower stuff. The floor is sanded, it looks amazing. I'm gonna do some trimming in the backyard because today is limb day. So we're able to put limbs out beside the road. I'm gonna try to get rid of a few more of those. I'll probably come along here in these beds and just clean up a little bit. Got a little bit of trash out in the yard. We're gonna make it look nice. Got to do a little bit of window cleaning. The stucco repair is going along nice. We still got to come in and do a little bit more texture on that, but at least it's sealed up and looks good. We got the stucco repaired above the garage door. Again, got to come back with another coat to kind of make it blend into the rest of the home. Let's see, we still got one window we got to replace up top. It's still broken. Let's go around back and take a look. I haven't been here in a little while, so I'm sure I got a bunch of limbs to drag today. Oh yeah, they're still here. So I brought my DeWalt Sawzall too. I'm gonna go through here and limb up these just a little bit more, kind of clean up this hedge line. We've got our new privacy fence installed. I can't remember if I showed you guys that or not. It looks amazing. Oh yeah, she is coming along in this deck. I know I showed it to you guys in the past, but it just blew me away. Oh, they've come and put the lattice on the bottom too. Kind of matches the house paint, or not kind of, it does. Oh, we got the window, the half moon window replaced up there. I believe that the carpet folks are coming today too to finish up. We'll go in a minute and take a look. So we'll come through here today, do a little bit more pruning. We got to take down that cherry laurel or whatever that is right there in the center. And again, just kind of limb up a little bit more. All right, let's go inside and check out the floor, the cabinets, and the upstairs. All right, so here's the lower units of the cabinets installed. The floor looks really good. I cannot wait to get the stain and epoxy on it. So we're going to go with the upper units today. Hopefully our corner piece has been delivered, get it installed, and then run the cabinets all the way to it. Let's go check and see what the carpet looks like. Man, this floor though, wow. Well, other than that spot, it looks amazing. We got to come in here and do one final sanding and then stain again and put the epoxy on it. But doesn't it look good? Love natural hardwood flooring. Man, this place is coming along. Oh, and we got our new light fixture in the dining room. Oops. And Sarah has been busy, it looks like. That's pretty though. We're gonna more than likely put it right here and replace this old chandelier in the foyer. We decided to take all the carpet off of the hardwood flooring and not go back with that center strip. I like it a lot better, just natural wood. Got the banisters sanded down partly. Okay, so we got the cushion down, tack strips. We're gonna go back with tile in the laundry room to kind of match the drain basin right there. Oh, it smells so much better just with the new carpet padding and the paint. I love that new construction smell, and the color that Sarah picked out, I just absolutely am in love with it. Oh, we got our new vanities installed. Ooh, I love that color. Looks great, guys. Got to put a new wax seal in. There was the half moon window we were looking at from the outside. It's been replaced. This house is going to be absolutely amazing when we get done, y'all. Let's go see if the other vanities got installed too. This is my favorite part of the whole house, is the main entrance into the foyer. Well, of course I just like saying foyer too because I don't have one. But we're gonna redo the door stain, again, new chandelier, get those windows clean. I'd love it, like if I lived here, I'd have some plants up there on that shelf trailing down. So maybe we'll stage it some kind of way, or who knows, I'll leave that up to Sarah. One of the smaller bedrooms. We found the light switch. Oh yeah, new lights in here. New vanity in here as well. Looking sharp. And brand new AC system, and it is working good because it is freezing in here. But that's just fine with me because this whole week is going to be triple digit temperatures. It is hotter than all get out. So I'm glad we went ahead and replaced all the AC units. You know, I know we said this before, but the cool thing about this house is, I mean, everything is going to be new. New roof, new appliances, new AC units. Everything has literally been redone. And here we are above the garage. This is a really nice room. Still got to replace that window. Big open floor plan. Tons of storage. Oh yeah, the vanity in here is new. Amazing. Yeah, I like these stairs a lot better without the carpet strip up the middle. Remember, we had that big cutout in the floor here. They've got it all matched up with the hardwood, so that looks great. Still waiting on the bay door right here to come in. We had to custom order one, so it'll open outdoors onto the new deck. But I think the kitchen is going to be one of the showpieces of this house. Sarah ordered a nice either copper or bronze hood to come down, but again, all new appliances in here. Fridge, microwave, double oven, cooktop, the whole 9 yards. Still got to come and do the trim around this little door that comes from the kitchen area. That's this is the outside view of those doors, the bay doors that I was talking about. They're going to open up, coming onto this huge deck. I am so envious of this right here. Imagine the parties you could have out here, man. Overlooking a nice big yard. Fence looks great. I just I can't get over the transition of this home in just a short amount of time. I mean, the guys have been working their butts off, and that's what we're fixing to do because we got to go move some limbs. Let's go grab our Sawzall and let's get after it. All right, I'm gonna leave them whole and drag them around to the front and then chop them up by the road. Trying to work a little smarter and not harder, and that heat is already here. Again, gonna be over 100 today, probably 105 heat index. Humidity is just insane. So I'm gonna take you guys inside, let y'all watch the cabinets be installed and do a little before shot. Hopefully when we come back later, I'll have a lot of this mess cleared up. This yard is going to look amazing. I know it looks like crap right now, but the potential in this thing is just incredible. I want to make a nice little seating nook, meditation area up in there, get all this mess cleaned up, get rid of some of the mosquitoes, but you can have a nice little shade garden all up in here. It's beautiful. All right, I'm gonna get to work. Let's go inside and let y'all cool off. The limb picker upper dude is here. He said I could bring trees and whatever around here, as long as it ain't as long as his truck body right there. But that's a slick little unit right here, so you see him climb out on the side. You got little joysticks right there. Got a clamshell bucket, come down and grab that stuff. That's the ticket right there. Don't even mess up your grass. How about that? Thanks, Chris. See you, man. Super nice guy there. He comes by every Wednesday and picks up the limbs, and then of course they do trash and recycling too. So I just thought y'all might like to see that cool truck there. So I should have hauled a bunch more around there, but I knew they had like height restrictions, but he don't care. Today would have been a very good day to have worn gloves, because I have hauled so many limbs out from this area. But check it out, guys, doesn't it look so much better? I pruned up a few more limbs off these ligustrums, but they gave us a really nice screen between the neighbors. Of course, the fence looks great too and helps provide some privacy. But I went through here and cut as many of these little guys as I can. I'm going to bring back my weed eater with the saw blade on it, because there are like 50 million little briars out here, but I ripped them down out of all the trees. But man, I am super pleased with what I got done today. Found an old compost bin in here, pruned up this camellia. It's in a little bit too much shade, but I was able to limit up some. I'm gonna bring my Felcos back and give it a nice pruning and give it some good shape. We may lose the blooms. We will lose the blooms for this winter, because there's the bud sets right there, but it's in dire need of pruning. We'll bring some fertilizer back. But yeah, man, I know what it feels like to be a beaver now, because I have done nothing but drag limbs all day long, soaking wet. Even the bill of my hat is wet. But again, really love this area. I mean, it's so nice and shaded. It's somewhat, I don't know if I'd say cool, but it's definitely cooler than being out there in the sunshine. I'd love to know y'all's ideas of what you think we could do back here that would be, you know, not a lot of money, but make a lot of impact. I don't want to plant too terribly much, just because, you know, I got to thinking the new homeowners, they may want to design it, you know, kind of do it like they want to do it. So I think I'm just going to put some mulch down, clean it up real nice, and then they got a kind of a blank slate to do whatever they want to do with their space. Came through here, limbed up a little bit more, but I love how it arches over like that. You could hang some little lights back through here. Matter of fact, I remember seeing on one of these trees there was a receptacle back here. Let me see if I can find that real quick. Yeah, it was on this big tree right here. Whether it's still hot or not, I don't know, but oh my goodness, the wire. Yeah, it's definitely not workable, because the wire is cut right there, but the wire is gone inside the tree. That's been here for many years. Anyhow, you could get power back here and hang some lights or some little solar lanterns or something to make this area look beautiful. Inside, the cabinets are going really well. I'll show you guys that. Of course, you've been watching that in the time lapse. Carpet's going in upstairs. I am excited. We're getting close to the finish line, guys. I appreciate you hanging out with me today and all the times that you do. Please stay tuned to see the final results when we get this house flip done. I think you're going to be impressed. The more you know, the more you grow. I'll see you on the next video.